Hello guys, welcome. By default, when you open the Excel, you have the grid lines and the title bar all visible. We have the option in Excel to make it invisible for a better view. So let's see how we can do that. In order to hide and unhide the grid lines and headings, all you have to do is simply go into the ribbon in the page layout option, and when you go in the page layout option you have this option that is grid lines and heading, and in that option you have the view option is check in and heading view option is checked in. So you can uncheck them. When you uncheck, you can see the grid lines are not visible and the area is plain now. I can go ahead and make the headings also invisible, that is the naming portion of this area. When I uncheck it, you can see the headings are now also invisible, but it will be quite difficult for you to understand like which area or which cell you are lying in. So at this point of a time, only one option will help you to navigate is the name box. The name box will be only option which will help you to locate yourself in Excel. So I suggest you can at least keep the headings visible. Now you can see the printing option which will be quite different than this view. So guys, when you will be going for a printing the hard copy, it will be having some different kind of view. For that, let me explain it to you. So you can see in the view we have already hide the grid lines and we cannot see the grid lines available. And what I am going to do is I will select this option, print grid lines, and now I go to office button and then I go to print and print preview. So when I have the print preview, you can see the grid lines are now available. So my hard copy will be something looking like this. I close this view. So now what I'm going to do is I'm also checking in for the headings, and let's see whether we can see the headings in our print is. For that I am going in the office button and I am selecting print and print preview, and you can see yes, the headings are also available over here. So this way you can check in or check out for the options for grid lines and headings into your view or print. So you go ahead and practice for a while about grid lines and headings and take some hard copy print of your data, and we move on to our next tutorial.